Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the hot topic of getting rich quick, and we've got some great business ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to learn how to make your money work for you? Let's get started. 1. Let's start with the first business idea. Are you tired of long commutes to work every day? Why not start your own online business? There are a ton of opportunities in the e-commerce world, from selling physical products to offering digital services. The great thing about starting an online business is that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection, and you have the potential to reach a global market. 2. Our next business idea is perfect for those with a creative streak. Have you ever considered starting your own YouTube channel? Whether it's a cooking show, a beauty tutorial, or a tech review, there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. 3. Dropshipping. This business model involves selling products without actually having to keep any inventory. All you need is a website, a product catalog, and a supplier. You can start small and scale your business as you grow. 4. Event planning. If you have a talent for planning and organizing events, you can start your own event planning business. This can range from small birthday parties to large corporate events. 5. Affiliate marketing. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. It's a great way to earn passive income and you don't need any technical skills to get started. 6. Blogging. Blogging is another great way to make money online. You can start a blog on a topic that you're passionate about, and monetize it through affiliate marketing, advertising, or sponsored content. 7. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is in high demand, and businesses are always looking for help with their online presence. You can start a digital marketing agency and offer services like SEO, social media management, and email marketing. 8. Virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative or technical support to clients from the comfort of your own home. 9. If you're an animal lover, why not turn your passion into a profitable business? Pet sitting and dog walking services are in high demand, and there's no shortage of furry friends that need a little extra love and attention. Whether you want to start small with just a few clients or scale up to a full-fledged pet sitting business, the possibilities are endless. 10. Consulting. Finally, if you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting services to clients. You can help businesses solve problems, make decisions, and grow their bottom line. Now it's your turn to share. What business idea are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get your creativity flowing. The most important thing is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a business that brings you both happiness and financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.